Hi there, it's Kat Novak. I'm going to show you how to add the mesh for your Patriotic wreath. So you've got 2 bags of your mesh. You'll have 3 of the smaller per color and 4 of the larger per color. And what we're going to do is we're going to put this on to the wire form. I have taken the guesswork out of it by using color coordinating pipe cleaners. That way you know where to put your mesh. So we're going to jump right in and get going with that. Do know mesh sticks to everything. It will snag your clothes, it will snag the other mesh, it will snag your ribbon. So you kind of want to try and get yourself a little bit of space. So you're going to roll one end of the mesh down in, and then you're going to just kind of scrunch all the way to the other side. And again, kind of rolling that cut edge in. And then you kind of want to just gather it all in your fingers like this. And then we're going to go to our wreath form, and we're starting, this is a larger mesh, so I'm starting on the outer circle. And I'm going to go to my first red that I see and go ahead and add, tighten, and then twist. Okay? I'm going to grab another red. Like I said, there should be 4 of the big ones, and the bags are labeled for you, outer and inner mesh. So right now we're doing outer. Again, I'm going to roll in the edge, scrunch all the way to the other side, and do the same on the other side. Okay, so it's pretty much just repeating this process all the way around for the outer, and then coming back and doing the same thing for the inner. So at this point, I'm going to fast forward the video and just keep adding the mesh. We'll come back, and the next step is going to be when we add our ribbon.